Hello. Hello and welcome to Platinum Pass. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you some examples. Before that, I am going to tell you that from this lecture I am going to teach each and every examples and try to solve with explanation. I will not skip any steps so that you can easily understand the example and focus on that. Each lecture contains 4 to 5 example and I will try to solve from easiest to hardest example so that you can not face a problem in solving. You can search it on in the differential playlist in my channel. Now let's just start examples. First one is sin square x. Now for sin square x we know that x square is equal to x into x. So we can convert this into sine. So differentiation of sin x into sin x would be as we know, according to working rule of into a into b, the differentiation of a into b is a into differentiation of b plus b into differentiation of a. So here a is sine and b is sine. Therefore differentiation of sine into sine would be sine constant differentiation of sine plus sine into differentiation of sine. Now for this, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Therefore sin x into cos x plus sin x into cos x. Here 2 sin x into cos x, as we know, differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation is sin x is cos x. So sin x into cos x and sin x into cos x. So final answer would be sin x into cos x plus sin x into cos x. That will become 2 sin x into cos x. As we know, 2 sin x into cos x is sin 2x. That we know from trigonometry, that 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin 2x. So differentiation of sin square x is sin 2x. Now second example is tan x square. As we discussed for the sin square x, we converted that into sine. So similarly here also I am going to convert this into 10 into 10x into 10x. Now differentiation of 10x into 10x would be, before solving we know working principle a into b of a into b, but as I discussed, as I told you before, that I will explain you step by step. So according to working rule a into b, the formula is a into differentiation of b plus b into differentiation of a. So here 10x is a and another 10x is b. Therefore 10x into differentiation of 10x plus 10x differentiation of 10x. Therefore the answer is 10x into differentiation of 10x is sin 6 square x, that is 6 square x, plus, as both the term are same, as you notice 10x differentiation of 10x differentiation of 10x. So 10x into 6 square x is, will be repeating second time, 10x into 6 square x, that will become 2 10x into 6 square x. Therefore 2 10x into 6 square x can be converted into 2 10x into 6 square x. Therefore differentiation of tan square x is equal to 2 10x into 6 square x. Now third one is x raised to 4. Here I am going to use the formula that is n in, that is x raised to n. Here n is equal to 4. So differentiation of n, x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Therefore putting in place of n is 4. So 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1, that would become 4 into x raised to 3, and that is the answer of x raised to 4. Therefore x raised to 4 equal to 4x cube. Here you know is 4. If x raised to 3 would be there, then in place of n there would be 3, so it will become 3x raised to 3 minus 1 and become 3 into x raised to square. So x cube becomes 3 into x square. Similarly n may be 10, 9, 8, 16. You have to solve them as n into x raised to n minus 1. Here n would be any number, natural number, and here n would be any natural number or integer number. The fourth example is cos raised to 4x. Therefore, we have to convert this into cosx into cosx into cosx into cosx into cosx in 4 times. That become cos x into cos x into cos x into cos x. Now differential of cos x, and cos x would be sin x. But this solving by this becomes complex. So I will teach you some easy method, that is cos raised to 4x would become, here two formula would be using. First one is n into x raised to n minus 1, that is x raised to power n, and second one would be sin x, that is differentiation of cos x, sorry, minus sin x, that is differentiation of cos x. Now as we know, that the formula for the first one is applied on any x values. So I am going to first let cos x equal to x or y. Therefore cos raised to 4x will become y raised to 4. So solving this, we get 4 y raised to 3, that is 4 into y raised to 4 minus 1 becomes 3. Now this will become 4 into cos cube x, therefore 4 cos cube x into minus sin x, so final answer would become 4 cos cube x, sorry, minus 4 cos cube x into sin x. Therefore differentiation of cos 4x becomes minus 4 cos cube x into sin x. Hit the like icon, do subscribe, and press the bell icon for latest update. Do share with your friends and comment if any doubt. Thank you.